The River Niger Islands in Onitsha. These islands are located in the middle of River Niger in Onitsha. It used to be very small, but have continued to expand over time. Onitsha residents and travelers who use Onitsha Bridgehead have a lot of opinions about what can be done to the islands. Some people say that they should be converted to highbrow residential areas like Bonny Island in Rivers State and Banana Island in Lagos State. Some say they should be developed as tourist attractions, while so many people say nothing should be done on the island, that it will still be dredged in future for Onitsha River Port to be functional in full capacity. What is your own opinion? What do you suggest should be done to these islands? Drop your comments in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on bell notification so you get notified anytime I post a new video.